going on, everyone? Happy Friday. What's up, B Water Keith? What's going on, Matt? What's up, Skillful? What's up, Waterfly? What's up, everyone? What are we gonna see tonight? What we gonna see tonight? Let me know in the chat. I think we're gonna pump, dump, crab. Let me know in the chat. Stock market dumping, DXY pumping, Bitcoin. Actually holding up decently well, considering. All coins coming down. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's going on, Trevor? Waterfly, I always say hi to you, man. What's going on, F Rank? Yeah, I saw Tino give me a shout out today. I saw that today. It was pretty awesome. Welcome to everyone that's from Tino's channel, man. Listen, I'm not as smart as Tino, but hey, we both bring the fire, as he says. All right. Link, 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 link. What's all new green deal though? I told you, man. I told you. Everyone run the fingers down the spine, baby. Let's go. Come on. Run the fingers. Yo, what's going on? What's up, Mr. Hart? What's up, Keith? Happy Friday, man. It's the weekend. Cheers to the freaking weekend. Fumbles, what's up, man? Music went from 5 to 1. Rub the fingers down the spine, baby. Actually, you know what we can do? Run the fingers down that like button, man. Let's get it. Let's get it today. 600 likes is the goal today. It's Friday. We're gonna hang out, talk some charts. What can we expect next for BTC, man? Let's find out. What the hell? I'm alone in my apartment. I don't want to hear love-making music. I don't know who would bang to this song. It's kind of a weird song to bang to. It's not the right beat. Unless you're going nuts. Alright, what's up, Kevin? What's up, Rocky? What's up, Dimitri? Alright, let's jump on into it, guys. So, 29,175. What you guys up to this weekend, man? Let me know in the chat what you guys are up to this weekend. Where you guys coming from? Let me know. Rip Horse Guy. Horse Guy is screwed, man. He's absolutely screwed. We're gonna jump in here in a second. All right, let's get it. Love cheap strip club music. You're gonna love the cheap strip club music. All right, see you guys in a sec. Hey guys! Hey, you weren't expecting me, were you? Well, all the salty bulls. Jordan tried to tell you. He tried to tell you Bitcoin was going down today. Stock market dumped. It was so obvious. Who longed today? Who longed today? I bet someone did. Oh, I bet Horse Guy did. Horse Guy, did you long? Yeah, I longed. I went 100x long at the top. 100x long. George! George, where are you? Manipulation! Manipulation! This was not obvious! We were supposed to go to the moon! We were supposed to go to the moon! What happened to the base? No! Idiot. Freaking idiot. See you guys. Yo! What's going on, man? That guy looks scary when he zoomed in. Holy... I'm looking at him at the TV. He's going nuts. Holy moly. I would not want to hang out with him in real life. Oh my god. I would be so scared of that guy in real life. Oh my god. Yo, what's going on, man? Happy Friday. You guys already got me in the cry in the chat. Someone said they jerk off to that music in the beginning now. Before the stream started. Yo, what's going on? What's going on? Did you get it from Shiba? I don't know, man. All right. What is Bitcoin doing? What is Bitcoin doing on this wonderful, wonderful Friday? Well, we're coming up in a little bit of a rising channel. We know what this is. What is this? What is this? First of all, welcome everyone that's from Traders Reality. I saw you gave me a shout out. Tino, you're the absolute man. I'm actually, after the stream, I'm actually going to go join Tino's Patreon myself. Why? Because that shit works. Shout out to Tino. If you guys want to learn to trade, go check out Traders Reality, man. I'm serious. I'm serious. I'm going to join his Patreon after the freaking stream, man. Okay? You guys know me. I never recommend trading groups. But if I was to recommend one, that's going to be it. And I'm actually going to join right after the stream today. I tell you guys that. So shout out to Tino. He's the freaking man. He's the freaking GOAT. Let's get it. All right. So what are we looking at here? Well, we're in a little bit of a rising channel, right? We had the dump today, right? We had the dump. It wasn't actually that crazy of a dump, considering that the S&P got absolutely rocked, right? S&P got absolutely rocked. We had the NASDAQ absolutely, right here, absolutely rocked to the downside, right? And we had the DXY go absolutely nuts, getting back above this green box we were looking at, going absolutely nuts. So stock markets got rocked, DXY looking like it wants to, I don't know. It looking like an upside down relish, right? Bob's going nuts because the relish is going the opposite way, man, right? Bob can't even eat the relish. What? No! Relish! Relish, go down! I'm trying to eat you! Why are you going up? Who squirts relish up? Go down! Bob's going nuts because he can't eat the relish, right? Relish, DXY going to the upside, all right? So what do we got going on here? So if we go back to BTC, we got the little bit of a move down, all right? Nothing crazy comparative to, you know, what we saw, what you expect when the NASDAQ is down 3.5%, the S&P is down 3%, right? You would expect Bitcoin to drop down more than those, right? You'd expect more than that, man. So what do we got going on? So a little bit of a rising channel, which is typically a bearish pattern, right? It's a bear flag. After you dump and you come up in this little bit of a rising channel, right? You're expected to dump. Now, you came up to the 50 EMA. You got the rejection off the 50 EMA on the channel. Here's what I'm sort of expecting from this and what you guys need to watch out for, right? So when we come back up and test the 50 EMA, we get that pullback. What I'm looking for is, right, what do we talk about? The W formation. So the one hit to the downside, one hit to the upside. You're looking for that second hit to the downside before you possibly get that reversal. This is for the bulls out there. This is what you want to see. You want to see that second move to the downside before coming back up to the upside. Now for the bears, guess what, guys? If we come down and we break this wick right here, oh, Lord, man. Oh, Lord. We could be screwed, right? We could be screwed. Screwed is a relative term, but we could be screwed here in the short term if Bitcoin decides to come back down and does not hold that previous low, right? Then this could be reversing and just we see lower price action, right? So ultimately what we want to see, and I expect a move to the downside first before it continue to move to the upside, but that is what I'm watching here. Guys, no politics in the chat. If I see anyone come out with the politics in the chat. Guess what? Karen's coming in and she's gonna ban everyone. Okay? Excuse me? There is no politics on Jordan's channel. This is not a politics channel. This is a aliens channel. This is nothing else besides an aliens channel. We don't talk about crypto on this channel, and we don't talk about politics on the channel. We only talk about aliens. So if you talk about politics one more time, I'm coming in here and I'm banning every single one of you in the chat. Every single one of you, okay? But, Karen, that's my job. That's TJ's job to ban in the chat. Not you. You gotta love TJ. Gotta love TJ. I love TJ, man. He's so enthusiastic. Someone ban that dude. Someone ban him. Ban him. Ban them all. It's the Will Smith channel. The only thing you should Will Smith is that like button down there, right? Will Smith that freaking like button. We're hitting 600 likes. Will Smith that like button. Harder than Will Smith did it, okay? Do it a little less awkwardly, a little less feminine, right? Why don't you punch the like button instead of slapping it? What guy slaps? Come on. All right. Anyways, let's do this. So, what else do we got? Let's go over to the daily time frame real quick, because I want to check out the daily, because this is what we need to fight for, man. Right? This is what we need to fight for today. I want to see Bitcoin close above 29,287. If we get a daily close below 29,000, right? 287, that's gonna, I won't like the way that looks. And not only that, there's two things that I'm watching here, right? Two things that we're watching here. We have the possible, so we have the first hit, we have the second hit, and now we're coming back down. If we break the neckline on that M formation, right? On the M formation to the upside, if we break the neckline, it's not gonna look very good. And we have a target to the downside, right? If we take the swing high to the swing low and we extrapolate that down, that's going to give us a juicy, juicy target. Look where this puts us. This puts us right at the previous wick. And we've kind of said, and I've been saying forever, I expect Bitcoin to come back down and take this wick at some point. I don't know when it's going to do it, but I'm expecting Bitcoin to come back down and take the wick. So far, so good. Once again, if we get a bounce, all right, I still expect it to come down here eventually. Either way. Now, we get that close there, which it's looking dicey right now. We're going to need the bulls to step up here, right? The bulls need to step up. Guys, we break down here, we're going to be breaking down from another bear flag. What we don't want to break down for bear flags. The last time we broke down from a bear flag, that didn't end very well as well, right? We kind of moseyed our way up in this one up here. That lasted 4 months. That obviously was the move that to the downside after we broke it, okay? So let's pay attention carefully here, because if this breaks right here, man, this could get a little juicy. And I want everyone to make sure today, right? Make sure today that you have a plan, you stick to your plan, and you don't deviate from your plan just because you see red candles, right? If your plan is to DCA down here, stick to your plan. Do not let the fear get to you, okay? Just the same way to the upside. If you have take profit levels, do not let the greed take you over, okay? Make sure you are sticking to your plan, whatever Bitcoin does here, because quite honestly, I told you guys, if Bitcoin gets this dump down here, I do not expect it to stay down there very long. I think it's going to get bought back up quicker than you think, okay? So keep that in mind, all right? Keep that in mind. Stick to your plan, whatever it is. If you're waiting for 20K, wait for 20K. If you're waiting for 25K, stick to your freaking plan. If you're waiting for 10K, stick to your freaking plan. I don't care what your plan is. That's not my business. My business is to remind you guys to don't act emotional in this market. Act completely emotionless in this market. Do not have emotions, okay? Have zero emotions in the markets. That's what you need to be doing, all right? Scooped up some BTC today. Nice web hub. That's what I'm talking about, man. That's what I'm freaking talking about. Scooping up some BCT today, man. Majestic said, always bearish. Isn't that been the move for the last 6 months?
Rant alert.
Come on, man. What do you want? What do you want? George coming out here? I am George. We're all George. Guys, today, Bitcoin looks like it is breaking down from a bear flag formation. This could not be more bullish. This could not be more bullish. Bitcoin's breaking down from one of the most bearish patterns that you could make. And quite honestly, right, I think this is extremely bullish for crypto. And I think this is actually gonna make Bitcoin gun go up. This is going to make Bitcoin gun go up. So if we actually take a look at, why do I think Bitcoin's going to go up? Though the charts look like shit. let's go take a look at the Fear and Greed Index. I think that the charts don't even matter. And go over to the Fear and Greed Index. Every time the Fear and Greed Index is clumpy, man. Every time it's clumpy at the bottom, that tends to push Bitcoin back up to the upside. So respect the Fear and Greed Index. I know it's literally the best indicator there is. Continue to respect it. Bitcoin is gonna go up from here just because of a stupid Fear and Greed Index. Okay? Now, anyways, let's do some Q&A. Let's do some Q&A. Okay. Let's see. Q&A. Gungo. Yeah, man. Gungo. Clumpy is bullish. Yeah, Clumpy is bullish. All right, I'm done with that. I'm done with that. Anyways, jumping back into the charts here. Jumping back to the charts. Guys, what are you up to this weekend? What are you up to this weekend, man? Let me know in the chat. How's the bromance with Tino going? Oh, it's wonderful, man. Me and Tino, you know what's going down. You know what's going down. No, I'm just kidding. You know what's going down. You have to say, what's up? What's up? Looks like you. What you guys say here? There is no Q&A. George is doing... Oh, Lord, man. What's crypto total market cap? Yeah, guys, we're going to look at altcoins and stuff in a second, man. Let's jump back into the charts. So, I mean, that's really what we're watching for in the daily, guys. We need the bulls to step up. All the bulls in the chat, we need you to step up, man. Step the freak up, all right? Fixing the lawnmower, there you go. That's nice, man. Headed to Sedona, there you go, Matt. That's what I'm talking about, man. Weekend equals driving deliveries and buying more link. That's what I'm talking about, man. New Green Dildo. I hate that I had a short link on you, my man. I saw an opportunity. I pounced on it. I'm sorry. I'm still Link Marine. I still own Link. Okay, I don't want the price to go down ultimately, but I saw an opportunity. I jumped on it, man. I apologize. Also, cursing your mother. How could you say that to me, man? Love bear channels. Love bear channels, man. All right, we need all the bulls in the chat to come out. Here we go. Let's go freaking Celtics, by the way, man. Bulls in the chat. There is not many of us left. We have fallen one by one by one and all becoming bears. If there is any bulls in the chat, we must get a daily close above 29,287. If we get a close below there, this could get very, very ugly for us, and we'll lose more of our land. So if you do not want to lose any more land, spam the swords, spam the shield emojis in the chat. If you cannot find them, just type swords if you are a bull. If you are a bear, simply stay back because you will get slaughtered and you will get kicked in the nuts by all the goats on our side. Okay? So spam the swords and spam the shields and heck, spam the pickles. We need all the fruits for us. Okay? No, not my pickle. My pickle is very important. I need my pickle. Okay? I'm not going to war. I'm not going to war. I don't want to go to war. I don't care about any of these bulls. I don't care about them. All I care about is me. I'm not going to freaking war. You gotta take Jabba. I'm already at war. I'm on the bear side. I'm already at war, Bob. I'm already at war. Take George. Take George. All right. anyways, look at all the swords and shields in the chat. Wow. Holy moly, man. Jordan's gonna play with that massager. Oh, your best bet. I had like a, I was sitting on that bed. How long was I sitting on that bed? I was sitting on that bed for probably a half hour today. You know, rolling out the legs, rolling out the chest, right? Ah, man, that I'm telling you, man, that massager that you guys think that I stick in my ass is awesome, man. Is freaking awesome. Don't hate on the massager. It's great. It's absolutely great. You know, that's all I'll say about that. It's absolutely great if you ask me. If you guys, I'm telling you, get one of those massagers, man. That thing, I don't know how much that was. It was pretty cheap on Amazon. Get that freaking massager. It's freaking good. No affiliate links. Just get the freaking massager, man. All right? Anyways, I should put an affiliate link down there. You know, I really should, to be honest. Some of you guys will probably get the massager. All right. Anyways, take the Bybit link. Get the massager down in the description below. You know what I mean? All right. Anyways, what else we got? Let's go to the weekly time frame. Man. Let's see where the weekly closes this week. But is the weekly going to make another low, right? If it closes where it is right now, it's going to be the lowest low we've had since December of 2020. We're talking a year and a half. A literally year and a half. So it's going to be an interesting weekend. You know, overall, I guess the weekly looks like Shiza, okay? If you guys don't know what Shiza means, it means shit, okay? Ultimately, I'm still looking for this giant wick down here to come back and get taken, all right? You know, it doesn't have to happen this week. You could bounce back up maybe again and then come back down. But ultimately, I don't see anything major happening in this market until we hit those lows again. Just my opinion. Don't shoot the messenger. Just what I see on the charts. All right? Monthly time frame. Dude, the monthly time frame looks like absolute shiza, man. Come on. I'm just being real here. The monthly time frame looks like shiza. Okay? I'm sick of saying shiza, but that's what it is. What I'll say about the monthly, though, if we were to base the market based off previous bear markets, which, yes, we are in a bear market. We are in a freaking bear market. The monthly RSI is at a 46.5, okay? A 46.5. The lowest it's ever gone for Bitcoin on the monthly time frame is about 43.80. Look at how close we are to that low, man, right? So if we were to take anything from this, and this goes with my theory that I think we're going lower, but not that much lower, okay? I think we're going to the 200 SMA. It's not that much lower, okay? So though I'm bearish in the short term, I'm not going to stay bearish for very long. This would say that we go a little bit lower before we hit the previous lows that we typically go to in the past. So it's not all daisies and sunshines, but for right now, man, dump it. Okay? That's what the monthly looks like to me. Okay? To be perfectly fair, man. That's what the monthly looks like to me. Let's see. Where's Maya tonight? She's taking more feet pics. I don't know if you guys saw the joke yesterday. It was pretty funny. A lot of you guys didn't see the joke, though. If you didn't see it, that is my foot in the picture. Okay? For you guys that saw it. That is my foot in the picture. It was supposed to be a joke, but not a lot of you guys saw it, to be honest. He said, it is what it is, fingers. It is what it is, man. Fingers down the spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. All right. Where's my gun? Jordan, have you panic sold your altcoins? Yes. My altcoins, I told you guys weeks ago, my altcoins were moved into Bitcoin and Ethereum. I should have just did it in Bitcoin, to be honest. But it is what it is. Ethereum, oh, Lord. Here comes ETH, man. ETH. What? No! Jordan! You told me to DCA ETH! You told me to DCA ETH! You told me ETH was not an altcoin! Why is it acting like an altcoin? This is ridiculous! This is manipulation again! Jordan, you are a scammer! You are such a scammer! You told us to DCA ETH! Here comes ETH. Alright, so this is why I don't trade symmetrical triangles, man. Don't trade the meme patterns, okay? This is a freaking meme pattern. You broke to the upside out of the symmetrical triangle. You probably had Carl the Moon, Crypto say, oh my God, we broke to the upside on Twitter. And we faked out to the upside right to the 20 EMA and then dumped again. Right to the outside of it again. Now, once again, right? This could be another fake out to the downside, okay? Hold on, let me refresh this. Let me refresh this here. Anyone that came from Tino's channel, guys, I am freaking weird. So if you don't like someone that's weird, you're probably not going to like me. But here's what I'll tell you. The longer you stick around this channel, the more that you will enjoy it. I will say that, okay? That's what everyone always tells me. I didn't like you at first, but the more I stuck around, I liked you, okay? I'm telling you. I'm telling you. You might not see it now, but you will. Yeah, Ethereum, man. You pumped up, pumped back down. And now you're pumping back up again. So let's see what happens with ETH. But, man, ETH, this is the 15-minute time frame. Let's go to the daily. Man, look at that daily on ETH. Holy moly, man. We're breaking the lows. So the lows are broken for Ethereum. And yeah, looks like we're going to probably get that daily close below this level that we hit once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and now 6 times to the downside. All right. So, and quite honestly, like, man, I don't really see like much major support here for Ethereum, at least on the daily, to at least about 1542. Right. And this, we got to see what Bitcoin does. But right down to this previous wick we had down here, which we actually never came back down and took those levels. So these are the 2 levels I'm watching based off previous price action, 1539, 1463. Let's watch those levels. But man, it's ETH is looking a little bit shady. A little bit shady, man. A little bit shady. All right. What's going on? What's going on, Finding UFO? I'm too high for this. I think yeah, they probably want to be. You probably want to be, man. Holy moly, hold up. we aren't going there. We'll see, Webhub. We'll see, Webhub. You know what I'm saying? We'll see, man. Let's see, guys are saying in the chat. BTC will bounce from $80 and consolidate in the $150 range. Oh, Lord, man. That would be awful. All right, so right now we're really just waiting on to see what Bitcoin does, right? We have the rising channel. I'm looking for this to break to the downside, right? But W formation, we could see a reversal back up here in the short term. We do have, if we go to the hourly time frame, shout out to Tino. I'm learning a lot from Tino, like I said, man. I'm looking for a W formation, right? So this W formation right here, and as long as it's the weekend, so expect shady action. But you do have a vector candle up here that you can come back up and take, right? This vector candle right here, right? So there is some liquidity up there to come back up and take. We have the 50 EMA up at that level too. So just be vigilant here. But that is a move that I could see Bitcoin doing here in the short term before possibly continuing lower, especially this weekend, right? Because what would make sense this weekend? Right? If they push the price back up this weekend, right? Let's push the price back up. Monday comes, right? And then guess what? That would just be them setting up their price or setting up their short positions as they move the price back up just to bring it back down on Monday, right? So let's continue to watch this. But that is a scenario that I can see playing out for Bitcoin. Don't quote me on that, but it is what it is. It is what it is, man. Let's see. Just date him. I would. No, I wouldn't. All right, let's see. What's going on, man? Average Joe Crypto. Hey, you're not average. You're not average here, man. You're not average here, man. All right, let's watch Bitcoin. Looks like we might be getting that move down to the downside right now. Let's see if we get that close. All right, so here comes Bitcoin. Here comes Bitcoin. Let me know if you're in a short position, guys. Let me know if you're in a short position. I actually closed my link short. I closed my link short, right? That one killed it, man. Let's get it. I saw an opportunity. I took it, man. I got in at like 921, and I closed it earlier today. I didn't get all the way to the bottom here, but that was a good one. And I had a little short on Bitcoin. I shorted the back test of the 50 EMA here a little bit lower. I took profits. I went on stream. I don't like to hold trades on stream, so I took profits down here. So little trade there, nothing crazy. I wish I would have held it now in hindsight, but hey. I'd rather take the guaranteed profits and not sitting on a trade on stream, because we know that screwed me the other day where I couldn't take profits because I was streaming and it screwed me. It went back the other way and hit my stop loss. But all right, let's see what Bitcoin does here. Let's see if we get that move to the downside on this Friday. If we could smack up the like button as we're watching the Bitcoin charts, let's freaking get busy, man. Let's freaking get busy. Feels wrong to short down here. I would generally agree. That's why I got in and out, because I'm not going to trust weekend price action at all, man. But it is what it is. It is what it is. All right. Let's see what happens. All right, Bitcoin's coming back down. All right, coming back down. Bear flag's playing out so far. Let's see if what happens. If we come back down, we make a higher low and we continue that move to the upside. All right, but we got to wait till the close first. Let's wait for the close. All right, it's all about the 15-minute close here. Let's see if we get that close. If we come right back up here and we close back in this channel, it's all for nothing, right? You could just bounce back up again. So let's watch this carefully here, man. It is what it is. It is what is. Creighton, that's kind of confusing me, man. That's kind of confusing me. All right. Let's see. No, I nearly choked hearing this morning's dump song. Why'd you choke, man? Why'd you choke? All right. let's see what else we got. Let's see what else we got. So, we're waiting for that right now. Hold on, guys. 1 second here. 1 second here. 1 second here. I want to see farting back up. Here you go. All right, so we got 24 minutes into the close. It's really the close that I'm watching for today, guys. It's really that daily close, like we said, man. We get a daily close below this. I think we could be farting back to the downside, man. Giant red dildo back to the downside. That's what we could be seeing if we see that coming up here. Pretty much the opposite of the moon helmet, right? Do we miss this? Let me know in the chat if you missed the damn moon helmet. This thing is dusty as hell. Oh, this thing's so much dust in it. Oh, look how foggy it is now. Shit. Oh, so much dust. Oh, shit. I can't wait till we can use this shit again, man. Freaking Christ. I don't even know if the mic works on this thing anymore. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Hello? Can you guys hear me? Let me know in the chat. Can you guys hear me? Oh, man. I freaking missed this moon helmet, man. Freaking choking in here. I haven't used this thing in so long. Feels so wrong wearing this thing. All right. Holy moly, man. I can't wait till we wear that again. It's going to be so fun when we can wear that moon helmet again. It really is going to be so fun. But right now, it has to sit on the shelf. It's super, super dusty. Hasn't been dusted in forever, man. I'd rather miss the moon helmet than an opportunity. That's true, Craig. It's very, very true. Very, very true. All right. So Bitcoin actually got to bounce back up. So it's important while we wait for the close. Let's see what happens now. Looks like someone farted it. Looks like someone farted it, man. So yeah, anyways, a bunch of other stuff, guys. The DXY, man. The DXY is looking like it just had a healthy correction before they moved back to the upside. And this is what I sort of said, man. I mean, the back test of the 50 EMA was beautiful. And now you're just absolutely mooning to the upside in the daily time frame. Let's continue to watch this. The hope for the bulls, man, is, I mean, like we said this morning, the hope for the bulls is to get you rejected at the top, and you get, this just turns into a M reversal, right? Hit, down, hit up, reversal back to the downside. That's the hope for the bulls. If this top level breaks here, oh, Lord, man. It's the opposite of the pump song. We don't want to see this, man. This is not a party. This is like a party for Java, man. All the bulls are salty. The bulls are salty. It's a pump song for Java. So, what we don't want to see is a move back up and a break of this. That's what we don't want to see. That's what we don't want to see. So let's watch this, man. But, man, it's not what we want to see. We talked about the stock markets. I mean, guys, it's the NASDAQ got crushed. I think the one thing we could take from today, if we go to the daily time frame, is we do have a gap back up to the upside, right? And they love to come back up and take these gaps. So I think what we could at least take from this is maybe... At least we could hope for a little bit of an upward swing, but what is that going to do? Is that just going to delay the inevitable that we dump back further? Right? But we do have a gap right here, but man, NASDAQ got crushed for the second day in a row. S&P absolutely crushed. Same thing, you have a gap, but get absolutely crushed second day in a row. Just a retest of the 50 EMA and a rejection. Absolute carnage on both the NASDAQ and the S&P. Coming back down to test the lows. It's sort of the same thing we want to see on the S&P, kind of the opposite of the DXY. You want to see this hold and once again create the W formation that pushes you back up to the upside. That's what you want to see. Well, time will tell. Let's watch next week, right? We got the FOMC meeting coming up next week. That could change a lot, man. If they come out and because inflation went higher today. And they come out and they come out with 0.75 basis points, man, or do something unexpected that could be very, very brutal for the market. So next week is going to be very, very interesting for literally everything, man. It's going to be super, super interesting. I'm going to be watching it. I know who's not going to be watching it. What'd you just say? FOMC. RC? What's that? What is that? Jordan, what does that mean? Oh, it must be bullish. It must be bullish. It sounds like FOMO. FO? It starts with FO like FOMO. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna FOMO right now then. Thanks, Jordan. Jordan told me to FOMO. Okay. FOMO. I'm gonna FOMO right now. Dump it. The horse guy just FOMO'd in. Okay. No. We're gonna raise inflation a little bit. We're gonna raise inflation. And yes. And they're gonna raise the basis points for the rate hike. Okay. Horse guy is in. You know what to do now. You know what to do. He FOMO'd in. You know what to do. Dump it. No! My life savings! Jordan said FOMO! I love how I have a guy named Horse Guy now. Where did Horse Guy come from? I don't know. He's like the star of the show now. I'm not even the star of the show anymore. Now it's Horse Guy. God damn, man. Freaking Horse Guy, man. For all the new people in here, yes, this is how he acts. You gotta get used to me, man. Listen, I'm telling you, we have fun on this channel, man. Listen, we try to learn stuff and we have fun. That's the goal of my channel. I don't want to be some boring channel that just learns stuff when in reality you're really not learning stuff on most channels. I want to have fun and try to learn stuff too, okay? That's the goal of my channel. If you can't handle it, guess what? It is what it is. It is what it is. The long face, but shout out to Drew for telling people, yes, this is how he acts. Because I do act like that, yes. Pencil Neck Beth. Someone in the chat's name is Pencil Neck Beth. I don't know why I find that so funny. Pencil Neck Beth. That's awesome. That means you don't take yourself seriously. If you call yourself Pencil Neck Beth, that means you don't take yourself seriously, which is freaking awesome. You should not. You should literally not take yourself seriously, man. All right. Let's continue on. So, yeah, we're waiting for the close right now, man. We're really waiting for the close. Let's go check ETH again. Oh, man. Alts are getting rocked right now. Look at ETH, man. We talked about Ethereum already. Look at Link. Oh, man, I wish I hold that Link short, man. Lord. It is what it is. It is what it is. But Link coming back down. Link actually, look what Link did, man. For all my Tino fans out there, look what Link did in the daily. We talked about, Link had this yellow vector candle here on the daily time frame. It was on the 4-hour time frame too. Look where Link actually came down to, man. Not to an exact T, but look where Link came down to. Right to the bottom of that yellow vector candle. If you try to come here and tell me that vector candles don't work, well, guess what? I'll give yourselves one of these, all right? We went right to the 50 EMA. You got a slight move above it, but you just couldn't hold it. And then you dumped from there, right? This was an easy short right here to me. And you came back down and you went right to the bottom of the yellow vector candle here. That's freaking beautiful, man. That is freaking beautiful. If we go to the 4-hour on Link, see the 4-hour on Captain Link here. Yeah, I think Link can come further down in the 4-hour time frame here. And you also have a yellow vector candle down here. Guys, I still think Link is coming lower here too, man. Link has got a yellow vector candle all the way back down here, which my yellow is Tino's green for everyone that's in the chat, man. Just so we have colorblind people in the chat who needed to see it normally. Link could come all the way back down here to like $7 in reality. We got to see if it breaks the 4-hour 50 EMA. If it does, we're popping back down here, man. We're popping straight back down here. So let's watch this very carefully. But Link was very, very, very interesting level, man. Very interesting level. All right. What's going on, Drew? Nice, man. That is a perfect depiction. It's all about the 50 EMA and the vector candles, man. Let's see. How did Jordan survive his 3 years in the market? True. Let's see. Tino showed out Bob. Bob hates the vector candles, man. Bob hates the vector candles, man. What the hell is a vector candle? Who is Victor? I hate Victor. All Jordan talk about is Victor. I used to be Jordan's favorite. He used to say Bob Candle, Bob Candle. Now he just all he talks about is the freaking Victor candle. Who is the frick is this guy Victor? He's not cooler than me. I demand to see who Victor is. Who is Victor? The Victor candle. You guys are too funny in the chat, man. All right, hold on. Oh, it's delicious. Yes, I'm drinking a Bud Light right now. Celtics game 4 tonight. We got to get prepared. It's at 9 o'clock. We got to get prepared, man. We got to get prepared. All right. Once again, Bitcoin's trying to come back down. It's not confirmed into the close, man. You can see Bitcoin keeps trying to come below here, but then comes back up. We're waiting for a 15-minute close here for the short-term time frames to see if Bitcoin's going to have a further move to the downside and complete this W formation here. All right. 3-3-3. Go Celtics. You know the power of the threes, Will. Nice, man. 3-3-3. Go Celtics. The Celtics are going to win by 9. Jason Tatum's going to have 33 points. I know I said that last game, but it's going to happen again. It's going to happen again. All right. Let's see. What's going on, Amit? Good to see you, man. What's up, TK? Why you guys bearish on the likes? The price is going down. Whenever the price is going down, people are bearish on the likes, man. It is what it is. It is what it is. You'll need more than a Bud Light. What? Because the Celtics are going to lose? The Celtics are not going to lose, man. You have a better chance of seeing Santa Claus, like I said. But shout out to you, William Ray. Thanks for the super chat, man. Serdu coming out said stake and ETH. That's what I'm talking about, man. Keep stacking the sats. Keep stacking the altcoins. At the end of the day, all this stuff and all this downwards price action is giving you an opportunity that, I said this before. It's giving you an opportunity that, quite frankly, I did not see for a lot of different alts and Bitcoin, to be honest. I did not see that. So take advantage, right? We're back below 30K. We're about to break below 20. We're about to break below 29K again. Are you going to take advantage, or are you going to sit on the sidelines? I've been telling you guys this. I don't think we're going to last down here very long. I think Bitcoin's going to come back down to the 200 SMA at some point, which is not that far away at this point. It's moving up every week. It's at 22,300 right now. It's going to be at 22,000, probably 450. It's going to move up $150 a week, all right? So make sure when you guys get the opportunity, you take advantage whatever your plan is. I know a lot of people are waiting for 50K. Not waiting for 50K. Let me ask you guys in the chat. What levels do you think Bitcoin is going to bottom at? Let me know in the chat. Let me know where you think Bitcoin's going to bottom at. Because, quite frankly, does anyone really know? No. I mean, someone in the chat will probably guess it over someone like, anyone really, right? No one really knows the bottom's going to be. Let me know in the chat where you think, round it up to in the thousands, right? If you think it's going to hundreds, the hundreds, where you think Bitcoin will bottom. Let me know in the chat. Can we get Ken to contact the sources? We can. We definitely can, Mike. What's going on, Elliot? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. I still think this is the formation we're going to see, man. On the longer term time frames, we're going to see a move down to the mid 25Ks. Then we're going to see that rally back to the upside, and then we're going to move to the downside. That's still what I see playing out. Something along these lines. And now this move doesn't have to be us going to all-time highs. This could just be us going sideways until the next halving event, right? But this is the general move that I see. Something along these lines, man. What are you guys saying? 23 to 24K, 25K, 25K, 26.4, wick down to 17K. Okay, I think it's already bottomed sideways to the 200, 10,850, 16K, 8K, 26K, 12K. I'm seeing a lot of mid 25K, mid 20Ks, and I'm seeing some 17Ks, right? That's what I'm seeing the most here. I see a little 18K, a little 11K. I'm not seeing many single digits. That's what I'll say. 25. I'm seeing a lot of 25Ks. So most people, I'm seeing a lot of 25Ks. Most people think that we already bottomed out then, okay? Which is interesting. Which is very, very interesting. 200-week moving average, back the truck up. Back the truck up, man. Back the freaking truck up. 28.6 and Mike. All right, Mike thinks we're bouncing from 28.6. I guess you're saying where we bought him now. But yeah, this is still the formation I see playing out, man. It might take longer, right? I mean, it might take, you could stretch this out like this, right? It might take longer to play out, something along these lines. We can't go backwards like this, but it's not. You could stretch it out, something like that. I mean, I don't know how long it's going to take, but this is the general formation that I see playing out, man. Recover Vector, then little drop, stabilize, and back up. Okay. 24 to 25K. I love the chat, man. Chat's going nuts right now. I love it. I love when the chat goes up. I love it. All right, let's go back to BTC, man. We got 4 minutes until the 15-minute close. We're waiting for a 15-minute close here. We get a 15-minute close here. I could see then Bitcoin having that move back to the downside here, right? So let's watch very, very patiently. The daily close is looking a little iffy to me, all right? I'll continue to say it. The daily close is looking extremely, extremely iffy to me. Keith says my crystal ball said no one knows. Where's my girl? What's her name? What's her freaking name, man? What's the girl who does the freaking what are they called? She does the freaking what? Yeah, no, not the crystal ball. She does like the sun and the moon shit. Who's that girl? I don't even follow her. I just know I know she called like the top or something like that. I don't know. Who's that? What's that chick's name? Someone tell me. Someone tell me in the chat. Hold on. No one has a crystal ball except her, I guess. Someone said gypsy. No one has a crystal ball, man. Everyone could come out and say, yes, where do I see Bitcoin going here in the short term? Well, let's see what my crystal ball says. Okay? And no, not my crystal balls. Wait, Jordan, you're saying for us to know what the price is, all I had to do was rub my balls? Okay, I'm going to rub my balls right now. No, Java, not those balls, man. Let's see what the crystal ball says, man. All right, the crystal ball says that Bitcoin is going to get a move back down to 28. Sorry, 27.8, and then it's going to decide what it wants to do from there. No one has a crystal ball, man. No one has a crystal ball, right? That's facts. That's facts. That's absolute facts. Remember when Squidward was telling people the future? True. Madame Ruby. Oh, Marin. Yeah, Marin. That's who it is. Marin. Let's see. I just look at my diamond hands. What did my diamond hands say? You could do that too. You could definitely do that too. Let's see. If I see Jordan finally bought the do-rag. Where's the do-rag at? Holy moly, man. We're going to check out the Fear and Greed ads when we get to daily close, guys. But we're getting awfully close to the daily close. Looks like the Bulls right now are losing this fight. The Bulls are losing this fight right now in the daily close. That's all I'm going to say, man. That's all I'm going to say. 1K wick coming? Who knows? Diamond balls, maybe? Yeah, I mean, yeah, I guess maybe you could see. If you look down in the diamond balls, it might show you the way. Okay, what are my diamond balls doing? My diamond balls aren't doing shit. Nope, not doing shit. Nobody has a crystal ball, but with hybrid we got a map. Facts, Drew. Absolute facts, man. All right, what else we got, man? What else do we got? The other thing I'm looking at in the weekly time frame here is you still got, I mean, man, you still got all these vector candles back here, guys. I mean, if you look, I mean, you really got this whole range here that we never really came back down and took, right? Spanning from about 26K all the way back down to like 19,200, right? You got all this liquidity back here that they can come back down and take, right, on the weekly time frame. So that's another thing that we could watch there, right? I don't know if we go down to those levels necessarily, at least right now, but that's something we can keep an eye on because we do have two vector candles here on the weekly that we haven't came back down and took. So let's watch patiently there. It kind of coincides with the 200-week moving averages. Maybe, I don't want to eat the damn sock, right? I do not want to eat the damn sock, but maybe Bitcoin comes back down to the 200, has a wick below, right? I don't want to eat the damn sock, but knowing me, Bitcoin's going to dump to 19,999, okay? and then it's going to bounce back up to the upside. If it did go to 19,999, it's kind of a lucky number in theory. So maybe that wouldn't be too bad. And maybe it's destiny for me to eat the stock. Maybe it's destiny after all, okay? And if that happened, I'd be pissed. I would know someone watches my channel if we went to 19,999. If you're new to the channel, guys, I have a bet where if Bitcoin goes below 20K, I have to eat a stock on stream. So keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on this. And still don't think it's going to happen, but we'll continue to watch it, man. We'll continue to watch it. Stack that link, baby. Let's get it. Link. 803. All right, so link's still coming down here in the 4-hour time frame. We're still waiting to see if we get that 4-hour close below the 50. If it does, probably come. I could see link coming all the way back down to about $7, man, which is a pretty crazy move. I wish I kept my link short open, man. That's slightly pissing me off, but it's okay. It's okay. There's always another trade. There's always another trade. It's better to pay yourself and always get into another trade. It's the same thing if you're losing a trade, man. If you're losing a trade, sometimes it's better to cut your losses and move on to the next trade instead of holding on to a trade, right, and hoping that it goes your way. Sometimes it's better to cut it loose, move on to the next one. That's what I've learned so far. All right, 1661. ETH is still coming back down, now down 7% on the day. Man, ETH breaking those lows. It's getting dicey. These are the two levels I'm looking at for Ethereum down here. So we'll see what ETH goes to. But ETH is looking dicey. CEL token destroyed. Can you check it out, bro? CEL? Oh, Lord. Let's see CEL. Make sure the sock is brown and dirty. We're not doing that, man. All right. Oh, God, I can't think about eating the sock. It's disgusting in my mouth. It really is. Everything is pump and dump day by day. What does that even mean? Some of the chat is like, Bogdan says, everything is pump and dump, day by day. What does that mean, man? You sound like Dr. Seuss in the chat, man. White Castle, Sloppy Joe, or Emo Pizza? Today, I am eating, I'm actually making my own tacos today. I can't, I love my own tacos. I actually think my own tacos are better than anything that I could actually get out there. I personally believe that. My tacos are so freaking good, man. So, and I'm going to make 4 of them today, okay? Maybe 5. But yeah, man. I'm eating tacos today. I'm so excited for the tacos, and it is what it is. Let me know if you guys like tacos. If you don't like tacos, you're freaking weird, in my opinion. All right. So, who doesn't like tacos? It's like saying you don't like a burrito. Who doesn't like a freaking burrito? All right? Wait, the next session is closed? Sounds like Java. Hard shell or soft? Soft shell. We're going soft shell all day, Matt. All day. Finding UFO said, CEL. Oh, Lord. Look at CEL. Some of these altcoin charts are just getting wrecked. There's CEL, man. No, we're going soft shell all day. Are you literally going to eat a sock like back in the days? A guy ate his hat and literally died. I'm probably not going to actually swallow the sock. Well, I'm most likely not going to swallow the sock. It's just going to be embarrassing to me having to eat a sock. All right. Yeah, so Celsius. See ya, man. See ya. See ya. To the downside. I'm not a big fan of hard taco shells. Hard tacos, we said this, me and Maya talked about this the other day. If you're going to eat a chip, all right? If you're going to eat a chip, or if you're going to eat a hard taco shell, why would you not just eat chips and just dip it with chips? I don't want chips, okay? I want our tortilla. I do not want a chip. And also, when you eat hard tacos and you bite into it, the whole freaking thing dumps on your hands. I hate when that taco dumps on your hand, man. It's literally disgusting. So, give me all day the soft taco. I can crumble it up. It won't be messy. It's delicious. Hard tacos are not great. Jordan doesn't like hard things in his mouth. Facts. I like soft things in my mouth. I'm just kidding. Yeah, you guys are the dirty jokes. You have to swallow, boss? All right, we're gonna end this conversation now. All right, We got 10 minutes into the close. What were we talking about before? I was rambling about something. Oh, yeah. Celsius. So we dumped this to the downside. This chart just looks absolutely abysmal. RIP. Let me go to the daily on this. Yeah, man. I don't mean to laugh. It's just this is what a lot of altcoin charts look like. But yeah, RIP, man. See ya. See ya. I can't even give you a target on this. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. No, that looks really bad, man. I would say if you really want to look at a target, I don't know if this is even gonna work for you. But if you do an inverse Fibonacci and you look at the 1.618, maybe you bounce at the 1.618 at about 28 cents, 28.2. All right, that's the only thing I can give you there. Other than that, yeah, listen, Santa Claus probably knows better than me. You know what I mean? What do we need to stay above for the Bitcoin on the daily close? We want to close above 29.2. If we break that, we got the M formation, right? Hit to the upside, hit to the downside, hit to the upside, M formation break on the neckline break, right? So we want to close above that. If we close below that, not only do we have the M formation break, but we also have the bear flag break as well. So let's watch very, 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 very carefully here for BTC today. Very, very carefully. This is an important daily close. I know we say that all the time, but I haven't said that actually in a while. This is an important daily close, I think. Important daily close. Unless the bulls can push it back up here in the short term, it's a little bit interesting. A little bit interesting here. If Santa knows more than we got to take the North Pole, we should take the North Pole. You know what I'm saying? ETH could do $500 again. Man, that'd be brutal, huh? ETH continues down 1660. What else can we look at, man? I mean, I'm gonna guess total market cap is looking like Shiza. Let's look at total market cap. Yes, total market cap about to break the lows. Let's find out. Total market cap sitting almost at the lows. You got the wick lows right here at about 1.148 trillion. Looks like you're probably gonna get a daily close above that. So I think you're fine there, but yeah, total market cap's kind of the same deal, man. I know a lot of people were looking at this as sort of a rising, falling wedge formation. They were looking at it as like this, right? Where this could be the bottom. This is a little bit of hopium here for the bulls out there. If you want any hope that you got this trend line coming down like this, we got 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, 4 touches. If you want any hopium here, you want to see this level hold right here. This is the level you want to hold. And honestly, you could argue that you already broke it. But you want to see this level hold right here, in my opinion. If that breaks, bada bing, bada boom, maybe we see a little bit of shady action coming on for total market cap. But really, man, it's this range right here. We're coming right to the lows. We break the lows there, pop, pop to the downside. So let's see. Bitcoin looks like it broke, but kind of chilling right now. Probably waiting for that close. You got some hideous feet, boss? Someone saw the feet. I love it. I love it. Let's see. Taco funnel all day. The trend is your friend until the end. That's my favorite saying lately, man. The trend is your friend until the end. Jay Hearn said, I don't think Monday will look good. The only thing I'll say, man, is you do have a gap up on stocks, right? So keep that in mind. You do have a gap up on stocks here, right? So they're probably going to come back up and take this. Maybe it won't be on Monday. Maybe they'll dump it farther down before bringing it back up. But you do have a gap up on stocks here. So that's kind of the one thing I'm looking at for them. Maybe Monday's not bad, but you still could dump on Monday and come back up on Tuesday or Wednesday, right? So keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on that. Your feet look embellished. Just oh, Lord. Put the vectors on AMC and kill dreams. Oh, Lord, man. I don't know if we want to do that. What else can we look at? Let's add some other alts, man. What alts should we look at? Let me know in the chat some alts you guys want to look at. We'll look at some alts until the daily close here. And probably after the daily close, too. Why not? Why not, man? Let me know some alts you guys want to look at. Let me read some of the super chats here. Sir Dude said, got it. Buy the top and to the top and sell the bottom. Yes.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
Buy the top and sell the bottom. Let's see. Average Joe Crypto said, check out the 50-month moving average on BLX monthly chart in log scale. It signaled a bottom in 2018 in COVID crash and also tested 50-month moving average. Yeah, we've been looking at the 50-month moving average on this channel too, man. We just don't have it up right now, but this is, I actually look at the 50 EMA. Let's look at the, let's look at just the regular moving average here. Let me change it to the 50 so we can see this here. All right, let's change this to the 50 moving average. Okay, there we go. So that signaled the bottom in 2018. So that's sitting at 21,500. I mean, that's pretty damn close to the 200-week moving average. It makes sense, right? There's about 4 weeks in a month, right? So it's a little bit more. But you get the point, right? So that's very, very close to the 200-week moving average. So pretty much the same thing I'm looking at, man. 200-week moving average is the level I'm looking at for a relative bottom. You could have a wick below, but I'm not looking for a weekly close below the 200-week. You could have a wick below, though. I don't care about wicks. Wicks are wicks. It is what it is. Cadena, look at that 150 range. Oh, yeah. We talked about the 150 range for Cadena a little while ago. I'm sure it's getting pretty close. But, yeah, I'm looking for that same thing, man. Looking for that same thing there. All right. Let's look at Cadena, actually. Cadena is a good one. We'll check out a couple different alts. Why not, man? Why not? Smack up that like button, guys. So you smack up that like button. We'll keep looking at more altcoins. If we smack up that like button. I'm probably going to do it anyways for you. But if you appreciate your boy, do not let me do it. Let me see how many likes we got in here. I need to see how many likes we got going on in the chat right now. Let's see. All right. So we got 1,000 people in here. We got 423 likes. Guys, we need to get to 600 likes right now. Okay? And I don't mean this lightly. I'm gonna say my rant again, man.
Rant alert.
I'm gonna say my rant again. After the stream, you guys will probably hop on Instagram and like every single girl's picture that you've seen, and you've never talked to them in your life, and they've never gave you any entertainment in your life. Okay? But you won't like someone's stream that you watch every single freaking day. Smack up that like button, man. All right? Smack up that. I know the prices are going down. I know it's not fun. Hit up your boy's like button. All right? Seriously, man. We come up here with 2 streams every day. We hang out. We have fun. All right? What do they do for you? Nothing. Okay? Smack up that like button, man. Seriously. Let's continue. IG is garbage? Yes, it is. Only reason you should use it if you have some type of online business, man. That's really it. All right. So, Cadena. Let's see what you got going on here, man. So, Cadena... That 150 range, I would generally agree with you, a 150 range, man. Let's see. Yeah, this range right here is the range that you got to look at, man. Right? You got to look at this range, and the hope for the Cadena bulls, and this is sort of what, if Bitcoin has that dump, you probably see Cadena come back into this range. Okay, if not lower, if you actually look at down here. I don't know if it goes that low. It's a little bit low here, but you do have some interesting levels on Cadena. I would look at right there, and if that level breaks, I'd look right at this level here, spanning from, it's really, I would say this range here, man. It really spans right here, that range there, which is pretty much that whole range. Like, if we're going to be honest, it's pretty much this whole freaking range. But, yeah, man. The 150 to 135 range is the level I'm looking at for Cadena right now, right? It's probably come back down to that range. And what you want to see for the bulls, once again, is you want to see the first hit to the downside, move up, second hit to the downside, and then the W formation back up to the 50 EMA. That's what you want to see. That's the bullish case scenario. Bearish case scenario, you break the wick, and you move back down lower, okay? So that's what we're going to watch out for Cadena. But Cadena does look like it's probably going to come back down here. In the immediate short term to come back down and take these lows, man. So just what it looks like, man. You could probably draw some like falling wedge formation if you wanted to. Let's actually take a look. Could we draw some falling wedge? Let's see. Yeah, not really, man. Not really. Wouldn't be surprised if it bounced short term, though, because you have a trend line coming across like this. 1 hit, 2 hits, 3 hits, 4 hits. Won't be surprised if this gets a move back up short term before coming back down, right? So be careful on any short-term short positions. But, you know, I still think it's coming back down here ultimately, man. Still think it is. All right, so we got the daily close. Where did Bitcoin close, man? All right, so Bitcoin closed below those two levels we were watching, man. All right. There it is, man. Dump it. 29,091. Nice. We have to get a lot above the psychological level of 700 likes. Let's get it. All right, so 29,000. We got the close below the bear flag formation and below the M formation neckline. So, not the best close in my opinion. I would say it's fine for now until Bitcoin. I would say this until Bitcoin breaks really this range here, which should give you some initial support. I think all is fine and dandy until that breaks. But it's not a close you want to see, and if this level breaks, man, that's going to be the key that we get that move to the downside. So let's watch that very, very carefully here. Very, very carefully. Bitcoin on the 15-minute, really no action yet. We did get a close below this. Looks like we came back up and tested it. Let's see if it wants to push down now. Let's see if Bitcoin wants to push down here on the close. Let's see what we get here, man. Let's see what we get here, man. All right. Yeah, it's gonna dump. It's gonna friggin' dump. We know. How do you make money in crypto right now? Crypto. Wait, it's called crypto, isn't it? I don't know. How do you make money in crypto right now? You short every pump. Just short every pump. That's it. It's literally it. I've been doing it since the top. Jordan just started. He's an idiot. Follow me. Short every Bitcoin pump. That's it. That's all you need to know. Okay? That's all you need to know. See ya. Yeah, he's not wrong right now. But guys, all right. So let's see what Bitcoin does here, man. Let's see what it does. BTC pumping. BTC pumping. Oh man, is it bad? Yes, it is bad. It is bad, Keith. It is bad, man. I don't know. We don't have to get into that, but I don't get that fascination, man. Max said facts. Bitcoin's going to the moon. Sergio, what's going on, Sergio? Good to see you, man. Sergio, I can't tell if you're just trolling, man. I really can't. Guys, have a plan. Have a plan ready to freaking go, man. What's your guys' plan right now? I want to know what you guys plan. Are you guys just stacking for the future? Are you guys just trading the market right now? Are you guys completely out of crypto? You're just hanging out for entertainment? What is your guys' plan in crypto right now? Let's go check out some other alts, right? So other alts that people are interested in. Let's go check out BNB. It's obviously number 3 crypto in the market. We'll check out BNB. We'll check out some Cardano. We'll check out some of the higher cap ones. But in honesty, they're going to follow Bitcoin, as we know. BNB is actually holding up pretty well. It's been holding up like a rock, right? It really has. It really has. Right now, I think for BNB, what you want to see is a hold of this level here. You got a level right here. But ultimately, for BNB, I mean, you got two different things you got to watch out for. You still have two wicks to the downside, right? You have this small wick here that we're probably going to come back down and take. And you have this bigger wick here that you're probably going to come back down and take. This one might get taken initially, but I'm expecting both to get taken at some point. Okay, just like Bitcoin. I'm expecting both to get taken. Might not play out right away. It's all about patience. But I expect both of those to get taken out. The daily stock RSI has bottomed out for BNB, but I really don't think that matters until Bitcoin's is. We know Bitcoin's is still topped out. We still need to reset that on Bitcoin. So let's patient away BNB. BNB is actually holding up very well. If it breaks 287, which it looks like it's actually sitting still right on top of that support level right there. Kind of hold that support. If that breaks, man, I think this is coming down too. In all honesty, which looks like you actually might get a slightly daily close below. So let's watch that. But yeah, I would say out of anything, BNB is holding up relatively well. Cardano. Let's see Cardano, man. A lot of these are going to look the same, so I'm not going to spend too much time on them. Cardano on the daily, a nice rise up, but look at the M formation, man. Look at the M formation right off the 50 EMA. So first of all, what can we note? Okay, what can we note on this chart? You got the rest of this vector candle back down here, right? That should have been a warning sign. When you came back up here, you had yellow vector candle, yellow vector candle. When you came up here and wicked off the 50 EMA, that should have been your first warning sign. This was going to probably pull back when you had the big wick and you got the pullback, right? And then you had the rise back up. But what do we know? On the rise back up, you look for the M formation, right? So you had the hit, You had the second hit to the 50 EMA, and then you got the rejection again. Me personally, I guess I really wasn't paying attention. I was paying attention to my link short on that second rejection there. In this initial impulse, I probably would have shorted Cardano as well. I didn't. It is what it is. But now what we want to see Cardano is a break of 53.7 cents. You're probably going to come back down at least to 48 cents there, right? So let's watch that. That's a classic M formation playing out as we speak. All right, so let's watch that too. I think this is coming back down to the lows. Really similar. I mean, it just really that's really textbook right here. This is pretty much textbook. All right, let's go back to BTC. So 29,118. Let's see. Would take balls to short Cardano. I don't know if it would recently, man. I don't know if it would. All right. What else we got? So Bitcoin's actually trying to bounce back up. It's 806 right now. Can you believe it's 806? Can you believe? My plan is to get rich. That's what I'm talking about, Bam Bam. Let me go back up and see what you guys said in the chat. Still accumulating ETH. I'm selling plasma for ETH. Okay. My plan is to make a plan. Nice, man. Hey, that's the first step. You got to make a plan to make a plan. All right? That's the first step. Bitcoin's a scam, said Cody.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is
sounds like the horse guy.
An idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
I'm selling my house to put in ETH and BNB. I don't know if I would do that, but you do you. Be patient and wait for my price. Nice. Elliot said, my girl and I both had fills at 28,900. There you go, Elliot. That's what I'm talking about, man. Keep killing it. Beth said, I love this channel. It's so fun to watch and listen to and funny. Thank you. That was a lot of good words. Was that Beth the pencil neck? I still can't believe someone had Beth the pencil neck. That's literally nuts, man. My name's Beth. I'm a pencil neck. What's Jordan looking at? Jordan thinks the price is going to dump? What an idiot, man. Does he know anything about macroeconomics? The economy is so bullish right now. Don't you see how economy is so bullish? Credit card usage all-time highs. Inflation just went up again. Okay? People can't afford anything right now. Unemployment went up. Oh, yeah. The economy is so freaking good right now. My name is Pencil Neck Beth. Pencil Neck Beth. Pencil Neck Beth. That just sounds such that was funny. That was funny. Let her rip. Nice. What would be the bottom for Matic? I don't know, man. I'm not in the business of picking bottoms. Only for Bitcoin. I don't know altcoin bottoms, man. Altcoins are gonna do whatever Bitcoin does. For Matic though, if we're gonna take a look at Matic real quick, let's see. Clint, what's up with you today, man? What's up with you today, Clint? What you up to this Friday, my guy? What you up to? Let's see. He needs some milk. Please tell me Ethereum will bottom. We already went over Ethereum. Same thing for Matic, man. Nothing's changed. Still got this wick down here. All altcoin charts look the same, guys. They might look slightly different, right? Cardano might look a little bit different. But in reality, they all look the freaking same. They all look the freaking same. I would say for Matic, if you look down here on the charts, because that's what we do, we look at charts. That was dumb to say, Jordan. What do we got going on? So many here are bottom pickers. I can smell it. We got bottom pickers for the alts. I'm not in the business of picking bottoms for alts. I'm in the business trying to find the bottom for Bitcoin, not alts. We got this range right here that I think Matic could come back down to, man. You got a bunch of liquidity down here to take. Yellow vector candle, which is my green vector candle, down here in this range. Right here. You already kind of wicked into it, but I still think you're going to come deeper into this. Deep into the crypto abyss. I could see Matic coming all the way back down to at least 38 cents, depending on what Bitcoin does, okay? Now, if you believe in Matic long term, Matic is one of the altcoins I still hold. I don't think there's anything wrong with DCAing at this level, but you got to be okay with it dropping further, okay? That's it. That's it. There's literally no problem with there's literally no problem with DCAing right here, right? If you're okay with the price going back down. What's the 3 things we look for, man? If you're gonna invest in an altcoin, you gotta be confident in these 3 things. You gotta be okay with the price going lower. You gotta be able to wait an extended period of time for the price to go higher. And number 3, shit, what was number 3, man? Oh, wait. It's gotta be money that you can afford to lose. If all those things meet your criteria, I see no problem with you buying now. If one of those things don't meet your criteria, stay freaking far away from altcoins, man. Because you're going to end up panic selling, and it's going to screw you up. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Jordan Milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. More fee picks. All right, here you go. My feet bring all the girls to the yard. Damn right. They're better than your feet. Damn right. They're better than the feet I like. Victor Candles. My feet all bring the girls to the yard. Damn right. That's better than yours. Stupid feet, man. Oh, Lord. That was actually a pretty good stretch. That felt really good. I love stretching. If you guys don't know something about me, I love to stretch. I love to massage. Okay? I love to stretch and I love to massage. Bitcoin bouncing back up here. All right. Let's get it. Pump it. Here we go. 29,186. Are you a holla back girl? No, because I'm not a holla back girl, but I'll tell you someone who is. I'm a holla back boy. Real tossing around that track and the wrist about the better feel like that, because I'm a holla back boy. I'm a holla back boy. That's almost as bad when Bob did the freaking Bugs Bunny dance. Remember back in the day where we did the Bob Bugs Bunny dance? We did what was the other one? Those all are stupid TikTok dances, man. Those are all so stupid. That was impressive stretch. Thank you, man. Thank you. I tried my best. All right. Fingers and toes. Yeah. My speakers. Let's see. Love the stretch, massage, and happy endings. Here we go. I knew you guys would say something about that. Jordan loves massages. Let's see. Please stop singing. Satoshi Nakamoto, only for you because you created Bitcoin. That's the only reason I'm going to stop singing. Only for you, man. That's what made the channel. Those stupid songs, man. I don't even remember how all of them go. I know the Bugs Bunny one. TikTok saved my life. How could TikTok save your life? There's nothing good about TikTok. Steve said, I lose more brain cells watching this than sniffing gasoline. I mean, I would disagree. Why? Because we have fun here, okay? And listen, you don't want to be just watching your portfolio go down and not have fun at the same time. Come on, man. I don't know what to tell you. I'm not having any fun. My grandpa's not asking me how to buy Bitcoin.
Jordan, how do I buy some Bitcoin?
Actually, I will say, I think my grandma's pretty savvy because she actually did ask me how to buy Bitcoin the other day. I don't know if that's a good sign, man. Every time I see her, she always wants to know what she can do to buy Bitcoin. And I actually had another family member ask me how to buy Bitcoin. I don't know if that's a good sign. I'm not used to people asking me how to buy Bitcoin when the prices are low, okay, or the prices have gone down for a significant period of time. I'm not used to that. I don't know how to react. I don't know if that means that we're going lower, or that means that people are getting smarter. I don't know what that means, man. But my grandma came up to me and was like,
Jordan, how do I buy some Bitcoin?
Right? So I don't know how to take that. I don't know if that's a good sign, man. Top signal? That would be bad if that's a top signal. Waterfly, good luck. Never going to happen, man. I'll be honest with you. Never going to happen. Typical weekend market. It's closed below key areas and just bounce back up. True, Ian. What's ETH doing? Yeah, ETH just chilling back down here. Because ETH ain't no holla back girl, but it might be a bounce up girl. You know what I'm saying? Guys saying. Can I check Unfi? Stas said, can you check Unfi? Psycho Pro, which coins are we buying under 30K? Bitcoin and ETH. Bitcoin and ETH. I'm waiting for Bitcoin to break the lows to buy alts. I ain't touching alts just yet. Because if Bitcoin breaks the lows, alts can drop another 20, 30, 40%. They're being passive aggressive trolling you? No, man, they won't troll me about crypto. They won't troll me. They will not troll me about crypto. Why? Because I used to tell them about crypto in 2018, 2019, 2020, and none of them wanted to listen to me. So they won't troll me about that. Trust me. All right. So what else we got? So that's Matic. Which alts? Just Bitcoin and ETH. But when Bitcoin breaks the lows, Matic's one of them. Solana. I'll probably pick up some DOT. I'll pick up some AVAX. A lot of just the higher cap ones. I don't want to touch the lower ones at the moment, man. That's... I don't know. That's not for me right now. You know what I mean? Your hairline is another story. What happened? My hairline's actually probably the same it was a year ago. If you actually go back and look, it's probably the same it was a year ago. Buy KDA. It's the next game changer, according to a guy I know. Just wait, Clint. Clint, you want to troll me now? Just wait. Just wait, Clint. Just wait. All right. Let's check out Unfi. Let's check out Unfi. UNFI. Let's see. Oh Lord. If you caught this short again, man. I'm proud to everyone who caught this short. I really am. What do I expect to happen to this thing? Continue lower. I don't think it holds this price, man. I mean, just a couple of days ago, you got to remember, man, we're in a bear market, right? Just a couple of days ago, this thing was at $1. Okay? And now it's at $8. It's not going to hold that value, man. I don't see it. I don't see it. So, hey, call me crazy. I still think this is coming all the way back down. I see Unfi. I just call it Unfi. I see it coming all the way back down to this range. Between 243 and 325. Might not happen right away, right? You could get a little move to the upside first and come back down. But I still expect it to come all the way back down into this range. All the way back down here. We'll wait it out. Let's come back here in a week or two and see where we're at. Something tells me we're going to be all the way back down here. But we'll find out. We'll find out. Let's see. I just went all in on Jordan on Unfi. George said it was the best crypto. Did he really? Let's see what George has to say about Unfi. I am George. We're all George. Guys, today I am a huge believer in UNFI. It is the next big thing in crypto. Okay? Do you see the chart right now? The chart is going absolutely nuts. This is an awesome project. I have never talked about it before. I'm only talking about it after it pumped because that's what I do. But Unfi is an awesome freaking project, guys. And guess what? I'm gonna FOMO into this on stream right now. Let's FOMO right now on stream. All right, let's FOMO right now on stream. Here we go. I'm gonna buy $100 worth of Unfi right on stream to show you guys I'm FOMOing. There we go, man. All right, I just FOMOed into Unfi. Let's see what happens now. Yes. George just made a video on a coin. Yes. It was because the price went up. Exactly. Okay. Yeah, George pumped it to his audience. You know what to do now. You know what to do. Dump it. George! You told us to buy Unfi? What is this? Friggin' George! No! What the hell, man? George! I didn't listen to George. All you idiots. All you friggin' idiots. You idiots. Oh, Lord. All right. All right. We're spending too much time on that one, man. We're spending way too much time on that one. We're spending way too much time. All right. 29-2. 29-2. All right. Let's see. That's like a little elf. 820. Oh, Lord. All right. Anyways, man. Let's continue on here. It's all in good fun. You guys know you've been watching me in a long time. It's all in good fun, man. All right. So what else we got? Let's see. Let's freaking see. What else we got? Let's go check out Polkadot. Once again, all coins are going to follow Bitcoin, but let's check out some Polkadot. Why not? We got some time. Oh, fear and greed ads. Fear and greed. Let me refresh. All right. So we got a 12 on the fear and greed. Google Fi. I don't want anything to do with a Google phone, so that can go away. Screw the Galaxy. Screw the Galaxy, man. Okay? Screw the Galaxy. Wait, hold on. Tigrin's World said, yo, this show is the reason I subscribe to your channel. This is the only show I do. I appreciate it, though, man. That was really nice of you, man. But this is the only show I do. Google phone. No. Fear and greed ads, guys. Still crab market on fear and greed ads. True Classic Tees still 34% off. We're waiting for a better deal here to DCA into the True Classic Tees. Still Extreme Fear. Still clumped up on Extreme Fear. Has it mattered? No. But we still have seen a giant clump on Extreme Fear, man. Giant clump. All right. So let's continue to watch. Little BTC here. Little BTC. See what we got going on. I have a Galaxy. I prefer the iPhone, man. I cannot agree with anything other than an iPhone. Now, it could just be because I've been using it for a long time. But, you know, I just can't. I can't get on anything other than the iPhone bandwagon, man. I can't get on anything other than that. Let's see what you're saying here. Nokia. We need some horns and honks. We do, Clint. We haven't. It's crazy that, you know what? Now that I'm talking about it, people are going to start honking outside because I'm going to manifest the honking. Ready? I believe that a honk is going to come. Okay, I believe it. Just wait. The honk. Thank you, Clint. We do need some honks. It's not the same stream without the honking and Jabba getting pissed and honking at people and car alarms going off, people trying to steal Jabba's Lambo. It's not the same. It's not the same. iPhone. Woohoo, beach boy. I think Clint's been drinking, man. It's Friday. It's Friday. Clint's a little savvy today. It's okay, Clint. I am too. Oh, I'm right about Bud Light so far. One Bud Light. Why do I hear Santa outside? Mm-hmm. Why is someone going? I don't know if you guys hear that. Someone outside's going, yo. Oh, what does Santa say? Yo ho 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 ho. I told you Santa's out here. Santa knows more about the charts than me. Oh no, he says ho ho. He says ho ho ho. Someone outside is literally Santa right now. Let's see. I got a Bud Light. There you go, Dan. I got a Bud Light. We need a honk on here. The war horn's not the same. That would be such an annoying honk if someone had that. Holy moly, man. BTC pumping hard. I can't tell if people are trolling. I've been in this space so long where I can't tell if people are trolling or they're serious in the chat. Like, I used to be able to tell pretty well because, you know, I guess I was kind of a moon boy too. I've been in this space so long now that I can't tell if people are trolling in the chat when people are like, Bitcoin is pumping so hard right now. I have no idea if people are trolling or not. Zero idea, you know? I refuse to have to go to Genius to work on my phone. What? I'll tone it down, but you have had a bit few 2 glasses of wine. It's okay, man. It's Friday. It's Friday, man. I'll be having a couple beers tonight, too. Don't worry. Don't worry. Let's see. You scared my dog, man? I always do. I must make dogs go nuts. You guys probably have to watch my stream with headphones on. You must. You must. There's no way you don't. BTC 100K tomorrow?
We're going to 100K tomorrow.
No, guys, you can't say Clinton is a girl. It's 2022. Clinton is whatever he wants to be. Say it.
Have a nice weekend, everyone. Open mouth smile.
We go to Pluto. What's going on, So Be It? So Be It. What's your channel about, man? Let me know in the chat what your channel's about. I love seeing other channels in here, man. I like to go back and look at other people's channels, actually. Have a nice weekend, everyone. You too, Sayet. Have a good weekend, man. Good to see you, bro. Thanks for hanging out. It's Friday. We got good spirit here. Even though like every market went down today, you gotta separate. You gotta separate the economy from your spiritual being. Okay, if we want to get deep, I'm not gonna get too deep, but you gotta separate the two. Okay, you gotta separate the two. I care. Apple calls their Clint's a ham sandwich. I do cycling content here in the Philippines. That was really niche. Holy moly, I was not expecting that. That's pretty awesome, man. Cycling content in the Philippines. That is super niche, man. But you can see you're killing it. So nice, bro. Sam Adams Summer Ale is awesome. Yeah, I think do they have Sam Adams in another part of the country? I thought it was only a Boston thing. I thought Sam Adams was only Boston beer, but Sam Adams is delicious. Actually, Sam Summer might be my favorite beer. Sam Summer might be my favorite beer. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying, Jelly Bean? Yeah, I called you guys Jelly Bean. This is what it is. All right, guys. Bitcoin ain't doing shiza. All right? Everyone looks like everyone's saying goodbye in the chat. I'm going to take this time for myself, too. Here's what I'm going to say, man. We got the Celtics game 4 coming up at 9 o'clock. I need my tacos, one, because I am freaking starving right now, okay? All I had for lunch today was a freaking milkshake. And not a milkshake, a protein shake. I am starving, okay? And I need some food, okay? So I'm going to go make tacos before the game, have them ready for the game. Okay, they're going to be delicious. Watch Bitcoin closely this weekend, all right? Watch Bitcoin closely this weekend. If we see any movement, maybe I'll hop on for an early morning stream tomorrow. I'll let you guys know. I'll let you guys know in the early morning. Maybe I'll hop on. I'm going to do a little hiking tomorrow. We're going to go a little hiking, have a good day outdoors, and it's going to be a good day tomorrow too. So, have a fantastic day, guys, and really go out and get it, man. Be ready for a move. This is interesting price action right now. You're going to have wonky price action on the weekend. Just be prepared for whatever you see, all right? Catch you guys later. Adios. Don't do anything I would do. Don't panic, sell your crypto. And most of all, guys, don't panic, sell your crypto, all right? Later, boys. Have a good night. Keep a smile on your face. It's all good, right? Markets are going down, but it's all freaking good. Take advantage of the opportunities that you have, all right? See you guys. Peace.